Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to Nalda Secondary Online School, Nalda Fokirat Bagarat. How are you, my dear students? I am fine. I think that you are also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Before starting my class, let me introduce myself. This is A. Shukur Ali Khan, Assistant Teacher English, Nalda Secondary School, Nalda Fokirat Bagarat. Subject English second paper, class 9, lesson right from of verbs. Here is an audio clip. Let us hear a song. My dear students. Okay. My dear student, what did he singer do? My dear student, can you say me? Yes, she sang an Islamic song.
এই দুনিয়ায় চিরজীবনে থাকার জায়গা না, অন্ধকার কবর যে আমার আসল ঠিকানা। এই দুনিয়ায় চিরজীবনে থাকার জায়গা না, অন্ধকার কবর যে আমার আসল ঠিকানা। সবাই রেখে আমায় চলে যাবে, সঙ্গী হবে না। সবাই রেখে আমায় চলে যাবে, সঙ্গী হবে না। আমার মরণ আসিবে কখন কেউ তো জানবে না।
Okay, my dear students. Question. What did he singer do? My dear students, what did he singer do? Yes, your answer will be he sang an Islamic song. My dear students, he sang an Islamic song. Let us another picture. What do the players do? He sang a song. He play football. Here, what is the part of speech the word in the circle sang and play? Do you know, my dear students? Yes, is verb. Yes, our today's lesson is right form of verbs. Right forms of verbs. My dear students, learning outcome of the lesson. After this lesson, the students will be able to write sentences using right form of verbs, fill in the gaps with right form of verbs with clue, correct mistake and rewrite the passage with right form of verbs. Okay, let us details. So let us start our class, my dear students. The sun rises in the east. Here, rises. If the sentences is universal truth or habitual fact, it will be present indefinite tense. My dear students, all of you have known it. If the sentence is universal truth or habitual fact, it will be present indefinite tense. In this way, the sun rises in the east. Secondly, he reads the Holy Quran every day. He reads the Holy Quran every day. Here, every day reads. If the sentences there is every day, always, regularly, occasionally, usually, often, first, sometimes, generally, daily, every day, occasionally, usually, normally, seldom, frequently, every time, the sentence will be indefinite tense. He, third person singular number. In this way, verb takes s or es. He reads the Holy Quran every day. Similarly, Rana is playing football now. Do you know which sentence it is? If in the sentence there is now, at this moment, at present, at this time, day by day, the sentence will be present continuous tense. I again repeat, my dear students, if in the sentence there is Walton, there is now, at this moment, at this time, the sentence will be present continuous tense. Here example, Dana is playing football now. Here now is present continuous tense. In this way, Dana subject plus auxiliary verb plus be on plus ing plus object. Okay, my dear students. Next, I have recently visited Cox's Bazar. Here, recently, don't you know if in the sentence there is recently, always, just now, already, yet, ever, lately, recently, ityadi, etc. The sentence will be present perfect tense. It has been raining for 3 hours. If in the sentence there is for oblique since plus time, the sentence will be present perfect continuous tense. I again repeat, if in the sentence there is for since plus time, the sentence will be present perfect continuous tense. Example, it has been raining for 3 hours. Here 3 hours for has been raining. Individual work, the boy play kite since morning. Children like to play. The woman and her children went home bored, won a child. The boy have been flying. The boys have been flying kites since morning. Children like to play. The woman and her children went home boarding, won a cat. They had reached the school before the bell rang. Had reached before rang. If in the past tense there is word before between two clauses, the sentence structure will be the clause past perfect plus before the clause past indefinite tense. I again repeat it. If in the past tense there is word before between two clauses, the sentence structure will be the clause past perfect plus before plus the clause past indefinite tense. The children went to their bed after they had finished their study. Before alternative after. Here after the children went had finished. In the past tense there is word after between two clauses, the sentence structure will be the clause first indefinite tense after the clause first perfect tense. Here is the example. The children went to their bed after they had finished their study. Write the sentence using right forms of verbs. Yes. She read a book now. The girls enjoy very much in the last Poila Boishakh. They take their tiffin after they finish their lesson. She is reading a book now, because now at this moment, at present, we know that now at this moment, at present, day by day, day after day, present continuous tense will be present continuous tense. The girls enjoy very much in the last Poila Boishakh. Enjoyed last. They took their tiffin after they had finished their lesson. We know that before after the tense will first indefinite tense, after sentence after the first perfect tense. Take the verb from the box and fill in the gaps used right from of verbs. Live, walk, sleep, take, sit. Mr. Anwar Rahman dash in the open air every morning. She feels fresh. Today he dashed already a mile. Now he dashed, rest dash on a bench. A dog dash for 1 hour near the bench. It is high time he dashed the place. Yes, Mr. Anwar Rahman walk in the open air every morning. She feels fresh. Today he was walked already a mile. Now he is taking rest, sitting on a bench. A dog has been sleeping for an hour near the bench. It is high time he leave the place. Okay, my dear students. Now I will give you homeworks. Write a short paragraph about on 10 sentences with the following words. The words go, did, talk, come, now, for, before, have, after. Okay, my dear students. No more today. Thanks to all. Allah Hafiz.